guys, me here again. Welcome to another brand new tutorial on the light bag collection. So this week what we'll be making is this particular bag you can see on the decks. So definitely you should watch this video to the end so that you get updates on what I am about to explain to you. So don't mind the dates you are seeing on my illustration book. Please don't mind this particular date here. Just focus on what you are going to learn on this video I'm about to make on this particular tutorial. But let me say this before I proceed to the rest of the tutorial. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Once you subscribe, don't forget to also turn on the post notification bell so that you be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Leave in the comment section down below anything you have in mind or you think on this particular video. If you understand it or if you have any other question, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below and give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. So without no further ado, let's proceed to the rest of the video and make it. So guys, first, this is how the bag I'll be explaining to you look like. As you can see, this is the front and it has this design. Then the handle, you see the way the handle is. So this is the back of the bag. As you can see, this particular strike at the center did not get to the back because of the stitching we'll do here. So you can copy the same thing to do exact design. Then this is the opening, this is the front. As you can see, we cover this particular side. We didn't stitch here, no need to stitch. And now if you check this particular place, the stitching is just, it stops somewhere here, just like quarter inch. The same thing on this side as well. So this is the opening and this is how the inside is. And this is the longer strap we make for it. This strap is divided into two because we use bulk for it. And this is how it is. It has a magnetic snap. It has a big D-ring from the side, and this is the kind of gusset we use. And the line, it is well lined inside. All the work are well knit. Then the bottom, it has 4 bag seats. So without no further ado, now I've shown you. You guys have seen the bag. So now we shall proceed to the illustration. We'll talk more about the illustration. As I explain the illustration, I will also show you the back so that you guys can understand more. So guys, note before we proceed to the rest of the video, on this particular measurement I'm about to show you now, I use 2 measurements there. I use inch and I use centimeter, which is the imperial and the metrics. So basically, as you guys can see from this place, as you can see, this is the height of the bag. The height of the bag is 7.5. The side, which is also the deep, is 4 inch. The length of the bag, which is how long the bag is 9 inch. So then the cover from where we stitch it, which is from this particular back, from this particular side back to the front, just the way it is 5 inch. From the top, from the top here, from the cover, which is this particular side here, it is 5 inch. Then this particular side from the back to this place is 2.5 inch. So if you need to cut this particular cover, you are going to cut 7.5 inch, just as you see on this illustration. Then this strike, you can see at the center, measure 2.5 inch, the wideness, which is the wideness from here. Then it measures the same exactly size of this 7.5 from the. So as I was saying, from the back, it measures what I just explained to you. So that is the basic measurement for that. Then for this particular hand, it is measured. This hand is measured 2 by 10 plus 4. Because the reason why we add this particular 4 is for you to be able to reinforce it from the inside, just like you see here. As you can see, this is how we did the hand from the inside. So we fold it one, we fold one this part, one this part, so it will give the bag a very reinforced hand. So should in case you carry a heavy object, maybe like your small mini laptop, your iPad or your phone, your power bank inside the bag, the handle will be able to withstand it. So the hand is cut in from the marco you will use, the hand is cut 2 by 14 inch. So the hand is folded into 2. That's why you see the hand is portable like this, just like 1 inch, as you can see. So that's that. Then now we proceed to the side, which is also the gusset. The side, in this situation, you have to fold your material from the top. If you check the side very well, we did not use any interface from the side, so we just use that material and line it up. So in that situation, you have to cut 4, which is the same thing we have here. You have to cut, the side, the top is going to be 4 and the height is going to be 8.5, because you have to add ½ inch to the top here, ½ inch to the bottom here for you to fold, and this is why we arrive at this 8.5. Then more explanation on the gussets. When you want to cut it initially, you are now going to cut 9 for the height, because we say we are going to fold from the side, just like the way it is on the bag. You see, from this side it is fold from the inside, on this particular side the same thing applicable. So the 4 sides, it is being fold from the bottom, from the left, from the right, from the top, everything is being fold. So you have to add that folding to the measurement before you cut. So that's the reason why we have 9 inch here. Then other than that, this particular side, this gusset you see we cut out, if you watch this very well, this is 1 inch. From here to here, it is 1 inch. That's the reason why we have 6 from the bottom here. The wideness, the top is going to be 4.5. Then you fold it. Once you fold, it will now be 4. But this side here, you see, from here to here is 4, but we need this 1 inch for us to fold and cut this side to achieve this type of gussets. This is the kind of gusset we are looking for. That's the reason why we make it that way. So as you can see the way the gusset is. So you cut 9 inch by 6 inch. Then you come down to this place, you measure 1 inch from the bottom. Here you measure 1 inch and you cut this particular place out, just like we made in our previous video. And that is all the basic measurement for this particular bag. And your lining as well, your lining will be cut and it will be lined from the beginning to the end. And by the way, mind it, when you want to cut, as you can see, there's no joining from the bottom or anywhere. You have to cut both the front, the bottom and the back together in one piece before you cut your cover extra. So I hope you guys really enjoying this video. If you do understand this, please let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a giant thumbs up. It's another design for you guys to work on and work with. And if you do not understand, you can also leave the comment section. You can also leave in the comment section down below. I will try my best to attend to your question. And if we have enough comments and question down there, we can even make a direct tutorial of this bag on how to make it, apart from what I just explained to you guys. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I will be expecting you guys. I'll be expecting you in the comment section down below. Give this video a giant thumbs up. For those of you who have not subscribed or always come back to watch our video, please, you can use this time to subscribe. It costs you nothing to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are.